Krakow Office is really important for Farnell globally, and especially so in Europe. It's the place where we hire our language-speaking agents, so we're able to converse with customers and suppliers in their local language as required. And it's also a great hub for talent, so not only we've got an extensive customer relations organisation here, we also have colleagues from marketing, from asset, from pricing, and from legal functions.
As it stands today, Krakow Farnell office supports customers across EMEA, 26 countries, providing support in 15 different languages. Our operations cover sales, customer service, marketing, and various departments. Our main focus is to keep customers at heart of everything we do, and also to keep our employees at heart of all decisions being made throughout the company decisions, throughout various different initiatives. Number of Farnell employees in Krakow varied throughout the years. Originally, we started with around 50 people covering the operations for Eastern European market. With time, this number outgrew the 50 which we originally started with, leading us to 130 employees, covering not just the Eastern European market, but most of the EMEA region as it stands today, from various types of operations, started from customer service through sales, marketing, both regional and global, up to heads, quotes and product operations out of this centre.
We're taking the opportunity to work with both the local stakeholders as well as the corporate team and some of our key contractors to deliver a brand new space fitted out to Avnet standards, incorporating a number of new features. So it's much more energy efficient. It has new AV equipment to provide a better experience for staff, for collaboration, both locally and internationally. And we've also provided a number of additional features, such as sit-stand desks for all members of the team. We've also got breakout spaces, tea and coffee points, new kitchen areas.
So this brand new facility represents a significant investment in our Krakow-based team by Farnell globally. We want to offer our employees an engaging place to come, to collaborate, to work together, to mix together, and to have cross-functional meetings together. It's also really important that we have a great environment for our newer team members to be able to come in to mix with their more experienced colleagues.
We're a fast and reliable distributor that provides our customers every component they need to achieve the success of tomorrow. And our biggest strengths are our people who support our customers every day.
I'd just like to thank everybody who was involved in the project, both the local team, the corporate team, and our external real estate agents who helped design and fit out the space. It was delivered on time, to budget, with some great enhanced features that I hope everybody really enjoys using.